Well, hey there, everybody. Welcome back. Today we're doing a little inventory on the Venice Inn tubes. Here I've got the tubes from the top part, the Eli Canelias, and there is one spare broken GL over there. And then down over here, I have the clear tubes from the part that says Venice Inn. And of course, as luck would have it, I got these picked up, loaded, transported, unloaded, and into the shop without breaking any, and then moving it across the shop. The tub flexed, and I cracked that one. I taped it up to avoid getting excessive amount of contaminants in there because I just plan on splicing a new bend in and reprocessing, since these are just clear glass pumped with neon. So some of these are still good. I do have down in here a random piece of one, so we'll have to find out what that's from. And then these are phosphor coated Voltark blue, so it's one of two colors. It's either blue or pink if it's pumped with argon or neon. What do you think? And they're pink, which means they're pumped with neon gas. So let's get these laid out and arranged, see what we got for an inventory. All right, well, we got all the tubes laid out and we got a couple spares. One double stroke eye and one AI unit, phosphor coated AI unit from Canelias. So, over here though, I'm all laid out. Eli Canelias, Venice Inn. The larger N on this one here is broken. And also missing the large V, double stroke V, so just the inner V on this one. But not terrible. Enough to mostly light one side, if all the tubes are good. I got Eli Canelias here wired up with a, you can see it back there, 15,000 volt transformer. Works, it says. 15,000 volts. So it's a lot of linear feet to light with one. Plus, say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 pairs of electrodes. So might be pushing the upper limit to that 15k kilovolt, but we'll see what happens. All right, you ready? Three, two, one. Oh, popped a breaker. I didn't get to see what lit. Grounding out somewhere. All right, we'll troubleshoot and get back to it. All right, let's try this again. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, a little noisy. I like it. All right, got a couple more transformers hooked up to the word Venice. So let's see what happens when we turn this guy on. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Very nice. All right, got the transformer hooked up to the word in. Remember, the outer part of that double stroke is broken. So let's see what happens. Here in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, look at that. Probably been a while since these have lit up. Very cool.